Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your go-to place for all things automotive. Today, we're stepping back in time to take a closer look at one of the most iconic and beloved pickups in American history, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup. While the 3100 first debuted in 1947, Chevrolet has decided to revive this classic beauty with a modern twist. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 model a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. First off, the design. When you see the 2025 Chevy 3100, it's hard not to feel the weight of history. The truck keeps the same rugged, yet charming look that made the original 3100 a legend. The bold front grille, the signature curves of the fenders, and those iconic split headlights are all here. But Chevrolet has added some modern updates, like LED lighting and more streamlined body panels, making the truck look fresh while still keeping its vintage soul intact. It's a truck that commands attention, whether it's parked in your driveway or cruising down the highway. Under the hood, the 2025 3100 has been modernized with a more powerful and efficient engine. While the original came with modest 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder options, this new iteration packs a punch with a V8 engine option that delivers a hearty 400 horsepower. Whether you're hauling cargo or just enjoying a Sunday drive, this engine gives you more than enough power. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and decent fuel economy, something the original was far from known for. On the inside, Chevrolet has completely rethought the cabin. Gone are the hard plastic surfaces and minimalistic designs of the original. Instead, the 2025 model boasts a combination of premium materials like leather and wood trim. You've got all the modern amenities like an advanced infotainment system with a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system. And don't forget about the seats, comfortable, supportive, and offering plenty of space for both the driver and passengers. Driving the 2025 Chevy 3100 is an experience unlike any other. It feels like you're behind the wheel of a classic truck, but with all the comfort and performance of a modern vehicle. The ride is smooth, the handling is responsive, and you feel that connection to the road, just like the old days, but with the benefit of today's advanced suspension and safety systems. Speaking of safety, this truck comes loaded with modern tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera. So while you might be driving a vintage-style pickup, you're not missing out on any of the modern-day safety features. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup is a masterpiece